How to enable visible clock in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can select the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on one. Now simply double tap on this interface. Here on the top, you'll be able to see different options. Simply tap on this AA option. Now here, swipe right until you find the option called More. So simply tap on More. Now here, slowly scroll down. This is the section where you can tap on visible clock. So simply tap on visible clock. Now it has been applied. So if you go back, there's a visible clock also. So sometimes while reading, people forget what time they are in. So it is a type of reminder that it gives them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.